Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners, welcome to Rangpur Jilay School online class. I am Mohammad Ohiduzzaman, Assistant Teacher English, Rangpur Jilay School, Rangpur. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well. I also hope that you are staying at home to remain safe from COVID-19 coronavirus. Today, I will conduct a class for the students of class 9. I will teach you transformation of sentence compound to simple. I expect that you will listen to me attentively. Now the question is, what transformation is? Transformation of sentence is an excellent exercise as it teaches variety of expression in writing English. The transformation of sentences consists in changing a sentence from one form to another without any change of meaning. Dear learners, here you have to remember that formation of sentence is changed, but the meaning of the sentence remains intact or unchanged. After practicing this, students will learn the use of conjunctions, the structure of a sentence, variety of expressions in speaking and writing English. Dear learners, sentences according to structures are of three kinds: simple, complex, compound. Before going to practice transformation of sentence, you have to know what compound sentence is and what simple sentence is. Compound sentence. A compound sentence is one that contains two or more independent or principal or coordinate clauses joined together by coordinating conjunctions like and, but, or, as well as either or, neither nor, etc. Example: Selim is a good boy and he loves his neighbors. Here, Selim is a good boy, principal clause, and is a conjunction. He loves his neighbors, it is also a principal clause. Now you have to know what simple sentence is. A simple sentence is one that contains only one subject and one finite verb. Example: Ratul reads a book. Here Ratul is a subject, reads is a finite verb. Now the question is, what is finite verb? A finite verb is limited by person and number of the subject and changes its form according to tense. A finite verb completes its action. Example: the girl plucks flower. The girl is a subject, plucks is a finite verb. I am telling you again, in a compound sentence, you will get two principal clauses and they will be joined by the coordinating conjunction and, but, yet, or otherwise, not only but also, as well, either or, neither nor. Structure of a compound sentence. Principal clause plus coordinating conjunction plus principal clause. Coordinating conjunctions that you will use in a compound sentence: and, but, yet, or otherwise, not only but also, either or, neither nor. Structure of a simple sentence. In a simple sentence, you will get a phrase plus subject plus finite verb, or subject plus finite verb plus phrase. For transforming compound sentence into simple sentence, you will need the following items. You will have to know the use of them. Then you will be able to change the sentence from one form to another. By plus gerund, by plus var plus ing, without plus gerund, without plus var plus ing, present participle, var plus ing, perfect participle, having plus v3, v3 means past participle form of verb, np plus past participle, npp means noun phrase, plus v3 means past participle form of main verb, infinitive 2 plus v1 or base form of verb, phrase because of, on account of, due to, in spite of, use of 2 or we can say 2 plus adjective plus 2 plus verb. Now let us move to our focal point, that is changing from compound to simple. Number 1, by using gerund. It means we will use by plus gerund. Compound sentence, work hard and you will prosper. Look at the compound sentence. Here, work hard, you will prosper. Both the clauses are independent clauses or main clauses or principal clauses and is a coordinating conjunction. So it is a compound sentence. Now you have to do it simple. If the first clause is imperative, both the clauses are joined by conjunction and it will be transformed into simple by using by plus gerund. Now the question is, where will we use by plus gerund? We have to use it in the action that happens before then the other action. Here, work hard. This action will happen before. You will prosper will happen later on. Now according to rule, we can write by working hard you will prosper. You have to give comma after by working hard because now it is a phrase, not a clause. Now it is a simple sentence. Serial number 2, by using gerund. Without plus gerund. Compound sentence. Read attentively or you cannot pass the examination. If the first clause is imperative, both the clauses are joined by conjunction or it will be transformed into simple by using without plus gerund. Now according to rule, we can write without reading attentively, you cannot pass the examination. Dear learners, have you understood? I think you have understood. Number 3, by using a present participle, compound sentence, Himu ran fast and got the train. If the first clause is assertive, both the clauses are joined by conjunction and it can be changed into simple by using a present participle. Here you have to add ing with the present form of the verb of the first action of the twos. If the subjects of the two clauses are same, you have to use the first subject in place of the second subject. You also have to use comma instead of and. Now we can write running fast, Himu got the train. Now running fast became a present participle phrase, not a clause. So it is a simple sentence. Structure, phrase plus one subject plus one finite verb. If the subjects of the two clauses are different, what will happen? If the subjects of the two clauses, what will happen? Compound sentence. The marriage ceremony was over and the guests are all going to the feast. If the subjects of the two clauses are different, the subjects of both the clauses will remain intact or unchanged. Then the answer will be the marriage ceremony being over, the guests are all going to the feast. Clear, students? Yes. Number 4. By using perfect participle, it means you have to use having plus V3. Compound sentence. I had forgotten him and went outside the house. If the first clause is assertive and past perfect tense, you will use perfect participle. So we can write, having forgotten him, I went outside the house. The other rules are like the use of the present participle. So the simple sentence is, having forgotten him, I went outside the house. If the subjects of the two clauses are different, what will happen? Compound sentence. The sun had set and we went home. If the subjects of the two clauses are different, both the subjects will remain unchanged. The other rules are same. The answer is, the sun having set, we went home. Now, serial number 5. By using NP plus past participle, we know that NP means noun phrase. Compound sentence. The letter was signed by the head teacher and was sent to the guardian. Here, the letter is noun phrase. Signed is a past participle form of verb. You have to omit was and. Now the simple sentence will be, the letter signed by the head teacher was sent to the guardian. Number 6. Now you will do a simple sentence by using an infinitive. Compound sentence. He wants to enjoy a good health and so he takes exercise regularly. Here we have to use infinitive in the first clause because there lies the purpose of the other action. So the simple sentence will be, he takes exercise regularly to enjoy a good health. Now you will do another simple sentence from compound sentence. You will use prepositional phrase. Compound sentence. He was terribly unhappy but did not blame the girl. If the clauses are joined by the conjunction but, we will use prepositional phrase in spite of. Then the simple sentence will be, in spite of being terribly unhappy, he did not blame the girl. Another compound sentence. He was ill and could not attend the class. Rule. If the clauses are connected by and, we will use the phrase because of, due to. Then the simple sentence will be, because of his illness he could not attend the class. Another compound sentence. It was evening and we went out. Here we have to shorten the time indicating clause. Then the phrase will be in the evening. So the simple sentence will be in the evening we went out. Now serial number 8, by using 2 2 plus adjective plus 2 plus verb. Compound sentence. The boy was very weak and could not lift the heavy box. Here we have to use to in place of adverb very, then adjective weak. After that we will use to plus verb lift and the rest of the part of the sentence. So the simple sentence will be the boy was too weak to lift the heavy box. Dear learners, I think you have understood what I have already taught you. You will practice them at home, then they will be easy for you. If you have any complication in understanding, don't hesitate to ask me. See you again in another class. Thank you all.